Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Builderall course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you upload a video into your Builderall course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload a video into your Builderall course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes a video is going to be an easier way to describe a process in your course or lesson, whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. I've already logged into my Builderall account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload a video directly into your Builderall course, you're going to click on this little light bulb here on the left. It's called Build. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and click on Build a Course. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the course that you want to upload a video into. So for example, this one right here, and you just click on the pencil icon. Once you do that, you'll see a menu here on the left, and you want to click on Course Content. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the modules you set up. Now, Builderall courses are set up in modules, and inside each module are various lessons. So to upload a video, it's going to be handled on the lesson section. So for example, right here, if we open up the Italian food module, it's teaching a lesson on spaghetti, pizza, and meatballs. So maybe we want to upload a video into the meatballs section. So off to the right, we're going to click on the pencil icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on content here on the, once you click on content, you're going to click on this menu, content type. So you can actually just add a link to a YouTube video or a Vimeo video, but today we're going to be uploading directly from our computer. So we're going to click here on video from computer. So the cool thing about that is it's going to upload directly into Builderall. So there's not going to be any kind of like YouTube or Vimeo logos. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show this kind of player. So don't click on download video. You want to click on the player itself. It's kind of weird, but once you do that, you'll be able to upload a video. Okay, I chose a video and it's uploading right now. So depending on the size of the video, it could take a few moments. So as you can see, it's moving by pretty quick. Okay, that took about 45 seconds for that video to be uploaded, but it's a pretty small video. You can see it's only 2 minutes. So if you have a huge video you're going to be uploading, it could take a little bit longer. But once you have uploaded your video into your Builderall course, click on Save Changes. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now the video is uploaded. So anytime somebody's going to end up on that particular lesson, they're going to see that video and be able to play it directly from the Builderall course. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video into your Builderall course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.